In this video, we will talk about the changing location of manufacturing. The global distribution of manufacturing is very uneven. The great majority of the world's manufacturing production is concentrated in a small number of countries. Now, let's look together at the table below to see the value of manufacturing production in different countries. We can see that over 50% is accounted for by three countries: USA, China, and Japan. Despite the fact that manufacturing today is highly concentrated, the distribution pattern is a changing one. For example, if we compare the current situation with that of 50 years ago, significant global shifts would be apparent. Let's together look at the figure below to understand the global shifts. From 1970 to 2005, we can see that in high-income countries, there is a decrease in the global manufacturing. It is falling from 88% to 70%. We can also see that 25% of the global manufacturing is found in the middle-income countries. We call this emerging economies. And this is occurring in China, Brazil, Russia, and India. Now, we ask ourselves an important question: what is causing this gradual shift in manufacturing from the high-income countries to the middle-income countries? Let's answer the question. The location of manufacturing has been influenced by factors. The factors are raw materials, energy, labor, markets, transport, and land. Those factors are still influential, but their relative importance has changed, and with it, the location of today's manufacturing.